Hey everyone! Big news from El Salvador, the country that first made Bitcoin legal tender is making waves again. A new law just passed aims to regulate the issuance of digital assets, be they state or privately controlled. This groundbreaking law, backed by President Nayib Bukele, seeks to attract investors from all over the globe while opening new financial avenues. What's more, it sets up the National Commission for Digital Assets and a Bitcoin Funds Administration agency to manage and invest these digital funds. But remember, this doesn't apply to digital currencies issued by other central banks or digital assets already considered legal tender, such as Bitcoin, nor to certain digital gaming or NFT assets. Lastly, this could set the stage for $1 billion in volcano bonds, a nod to Bukele's ambitious Bitcoin City plan. For now, Bitcoin is trading below $20,000. Stay tuned for more updates. Remember to like, share and subscribe for the latest on this evolving story. Catch you in the next one.